It's your boy Coyote Mike, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be addressing the hose on my 302 Boss intake manifold. So the hose I'm talking about is the hose. If you guys remember in the last video, a couple of videos back, where I installed the 302 Boss intake manifold. Well, the hose was a little bit short reaching my heater hose clamp, so basically what I had to do was I just had to leave it on top of the manifold until I actually went out and bought the hose. So nonetheless, man, that's what I did, and let me show you guys exactly how it looks now. Alright guys, so here we go. So I got the 3/4 inch hose right here, and I got the hose cutters right here. We're gonna slice this. We're gonna splice it down here somewhere. I don't know yet, still gonna mess around with it, but I'm gonna see what looks best, what fits best. They didn't have the elbow couplers for back here. I was going to run it to the back. I was going to attach a coupler back here, run it down to the back, put another elbow right here, bring it up over here, but they did not have the couplers, so I went with straight couplers. And let me get this set up and I'll show you guys exactly what I did. Alright guys, so here we go. Here goes Venom in all of glory once again. But here we go right here, man. This is the final product right here. So you guys can tell from the video footage before, I did not set up the tripod to show you guys exactly what I did. Now I do not like these clamps right here, but you know, unfortunately that's what I had to go with. But I am looking for something else to run right here. So you can see what I did. I spliced it right along, right back here in this area. I spliced it as far back as I could get it comfortably, because you still got to tie these ring clasps on there, you know, to get a tight seal, tight fitment. So I don't want to go too far back. I don't want to be stuck with any problems or anything like that. So what I did was I bought 2 feet of 3/4 heater hose line right here, and I just cut the original OEM part hose line coming from here, coming from right there, and then coming down into here right here. So I just cut that hose, and then I put the new 3/4 heater hose on there. But there we go, man. Looks a hell of a lot better. I did clean up the engine bay a little bit. I didn't do a full detail, but I did clean that up. So that's where we're at right there. Now everything is looking a hell of a lot better. It beats having that freaking hose coming across the top right here. So yeah, I just wanted to get that done, and then I got the 85mm throttle body sitting right there. AFE cold air intake. Now I am going to be swapping out the spark plugs. I am going to be going back to my NGKs. I'm going to get on the horn tomorrow with 5-star tuning and see if there's anything else that I need to do once I install those NGK spark plugs. It should be plug and play. Never really had a problem with them before, other than the fact that I was getting a bunch of misfires with those NGKs. I'd get on the pedal, there'd be a little hesitation, but I'm ready to give them another shot again. So we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, man, there you go, guys. Just wanted to show you guys exactly what I did. I did reach out to the Ford F150 Coyote page and the F150 Performance page. Thank you guys for you know, helping me out, giving me advice on the diameter of the heater hose right here. Man, I was having a hard time finding it. I did not want to cut a part off, take it to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Napa or whatever advanced auto parts. I didn't want to cut a hose off and they didn't have the size. Then I'd be stuck without a truck, so that would suck. But nonetheless, just want to say thank you guys for helping me out, man. And also, you guys don't forget to enter the raffle, man, for the $100 giveaway. So that is going to be going on this, I believe this Saturday. We're going to announce the, give me a second, coming back inside. We're going to announce the winner for the $100 cash giveaway. So if you guys haven't entered, be sure to enter. All you got to do is find that video down below to enter the $100 cash giveaway, the contest, and then subscribe to the channel. And that's pretty much about it, man. But nonetheless, it's your boy Coyote Mike. Don't forget to enter to win. We are going to announce the winner this Saturday coming up. So I'm on the go for 1,000 subscribers, man. So let's see where we're at, where we could go. So if you do not win this contest right here, do not give up, because trust me, the next one is going to be a bigger one. So I'm trying to reach to 1,000. If you already entered, it's okay. You can re-enter again when I do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know it's gonna be a little bit more money with that one. But nonetheless, man, you guys stay tuned. It's your boy Coyote Mike. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button, man. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, it's your boy Coyote Mike.